A very warm and cheerful good morning to the Excellencies, distinguished my dear student. I am Mantosh Kumar, physics teacher of Satyam International School, and I am going to conduct this beautiful morning through the lecture of motion and measurement of distances. First of all, we have discussed about the motion and types of motion. Again, we come on the topic of measurement of distances. Okay, so let's begin. In this slides, here first given a question, what is motion, or what do you understand by motion? Okay, so in simple words we have said that motion means movement, or in another words we said that when the position of a body changes with passage of time, then the body is said to be in motion, and when the position of body doesn't change with the passage of time, then the body is said to be at rest. Now we discussed about the different types of motion. First, here given translatory motion. Translatory motion means movement of all parts of body and cover the same distances in same interval of time is called translatory motion. Translatory motion are of two types. First, rectilinear motion, that is a straight line motion, is also called rectilinear motion, and second, circular motion. First we discussed about the rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion along a straight line, okay, this is called a rectilinear motion. If, or in other words, if an object moves from one position to another position, okay, along a straight line, this is also called a rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion have various examples like a bus moving on a straight highway, okay, a group of ants moving in a line, an athlete running a 100-meter flat surface. Okay, this is a examples of rectilinear motion. Now become another type of motion, that is circular motion. When a body moves along a curved line, and this type of motion is called a curved linear motion. For example, okay, like a ball thrown up at an angle, okay, or another example, a car moving along a curved road. This is type of a curved linear motion. Again we come on the rotational motion. Okay, rotational motion means movement in a circular path in relation to its own fixed axis. It is said to be in rotational motion. For example, blades of a moving fan, windmills. Another examples, a spinning top, a revolving chair, the hands of a clock. These are examples of rotational motion. Again we come on the another type of motion, that is periodic motion. When an object oscillates to and fro along the same path again and again with the same speed, it is said to be an periodic motion. Like heartbeat is an example of periodic motion. Now we come on the another motion, that is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is a motion that means movement between 2 points along the same path. It is said to be in oscillatory motion, like a person sitting on a rocking chair, a child sitting in a swing going back and forth, pendulum of a wall clock moving left and right. These are examples of oscillatory motion. Again we come on the another motion, like vibratory motion. Vibratory motion means that when an object moves to and fro very fast, it is said to be in vibratory motion, like alarm signals, call alerts, message alerts. These are the example of vibratory motion. Here is given combination of different types of motion. Okay, we have know that one kinds of body perform various types of motions, like swing machine. Okay, swing machine perform rotational motion as well as uh, its needle moves up and down, that is perform periodic motion because it uh, ups and down after equal interval of time. Similarly, we have discussed about the wheel of car. It performs two types of motion, that is first is rectilinear motion or another is rotational motion. Okay, in next classes we have discussed about the measurement of distances. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.